Hey everybody, it's Jen with Two Sister Bees. Welcome to the Hive. Today is Friday, so I'm going to be stuffing my cash binder and I'm going to be doing $1,192. So the first thing I want to do is count the money and make sure that that is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 30, 50, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. So yes, $1,192 is going to be going into my palm tree binder. The first one is husband and he gets 20. And he is up to 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 25, 30, 31, 32, 132. And next is Uhtred and his has gone up. He gets 95. So we give him 4 20s, a 10, and a 5. He's been doing a little bit better with his second round of allergy medication. He is now on Apoquel, which is a pill, and he gets his shot. So that's been fun. 20, 40, 60, 80, 95. So let's see what he's up to. And she did give me a credit on the pills, so that was good. Now I actually have a credit with her, which is great. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 190. This actually seems a little more realistic amounts with his vet visits. So next is Airbnb, 25. And let's see what this is up to. 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300. Okay, I had to pause the video so my husband could go outside, and now I think he wants to come back in. So birthdays for the kids, they get 25. They get a 20 and a 5. And that's my husband back there making noise. So birthdays for the kids is up to 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 209. And I did send little Miss Jolene, our granddaughter, her birthday presents. And here they are. We got her this adorable little tutu dress and the teapot set, and the teapot set was a huge hit. It sings this little song, and we did FaceTime with her while she opened them, and she was just dancing away, and it was the most precious thing I have seen in a very long time. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. So my envelope also went up. I get 85 now, so I get 3 20s, 2 10s, and a 5. And I think to myself, yes, this is a lot. I think part of it is just that I live in California and everything here is literally double everything else is in the entire country. We're just, I don't know, in this super duper expensive state.
Do you know how expensive California is?
So I actually made a hair appointment for my daughter the other day, and hers was only $85, and I was just like, oh my gosh. I mean, that's like half, less than half of what I have to pay for the same service. So if that gives you an idea. So my envelope is now up to 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 170. And thrifting, I'm still skipping. Christmas still gets their 45. And at the end of this video, I want to show you guys a couple things. So definitely hang out and see what I got to show you. I think you guys will be interested in what I have. Christmas is now up to 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 480, 85, 90, 95, 505. Christmas is getting up there, over 500. That is awesome. And the number one debt, this is my big kahuna here. They get 346, so they get 345 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 20, 45, and 6. So yeah, my husband and I have been watching a little bit of Dave Ramsey videos. I don't think Jason has ever watched Dave Ramsey, and watching a few of his videos the last couple days has motivated my husband to a level that I am thrilled with. So he was on board before with paying off debt, but now he is super duper on board. So thank you, Dave Ramsey. So number one debt is now up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,300, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So 1,384. And this is my one extra payment for the month. So this will be going out tomorrow. So that'll be a nice relief. RV is still getting 190, so 350s and 220s. 150, 170, 190. And I think this will be the last payment for this one as well, so they'll get their extra payment here tomorrow. And let's see what the extra payment is going to be. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 660, 661, 62, 63, 664. These are really adding up, and this is going to be a huge help. Okay, so moving on to wonderful taxes, 250, so they get 200s and a 50. And same with this. I think this is the last one. And I will be putting this, no, actually I think I'm gonna do this one quarterly. I don't know, we'll see. If it's here next week, you know I waited for quarterly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750. Actually, I do owe this one more. It's supposed to be an even 1,000, so we've got one more week on the taxes. Lawn gets 33. And we do go home in a couple weeks, and I cannot wait to see my house and show you guys. I will definitely be taking some videos, and my sissy is gonna come visit me while I'm there, so that just makes it even more exciting to go home. So we'll give you guys some little quick videos of us hanging out by the pool and just enjoying each other's company. I haven't seen her in so long. So Lon has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. 264. That'd be funny if I gave my lawn guy all these ones. He'd be like, what have you been up to, miss, with all these ones? Ireland / Mexico / Jen doesn't know what she's gonna do with it, gets $30. And next week I wanna get some stuff situated for you guys and tell you what new things are going to be happening within my household and my finances, because it's gonna get flipped around this week. So that'll be a totally different video next week. So let's see what this one is up to. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 210. And the last one that we stuff is medical, and they get 48, 45, 48. And let's see what medical is up to. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 236 in medical. And the binder is done, so hang out for just a second because I want to show you guys a couple things. And yay, the palm tree binder's done. I love when I finish that every Friday. And that thing is really starting to be heavy, which is cool. So the first thing I want to show you is yes, we have finally hit 500 subscribers. We're so excited. We want to thank all of you guys. We just can't believe it, how many we've gotten, I think, just in the last 30 days. We're thankful for all of you guys, and April has made a free printable for everyone. I will put it down in the description for you to download so you can start doing it, and it's $10 for each honeycomb and $50 for each crown. So you will save $500 when you've completed this challenge, and the envelope will be there for you as well. And the last thing I want to show you guys is my binder. I took a cue from my sister. I was so impressed with her binder. I loved it. And I wanted to show you guys mine. I wanted to show you two things about it that I thought some of you could relate to. So the first thing is, it really was $10. It was actually $10.50. I bought the binder. I bought the hole puncher. And I bought a pack of sheet protectors. So it came to $10.50. So she was right on with how much it was going to cost. And the second thing is, I made this, which is crazy because I'm not really the one that does this. That's April's job. So I did do it, and I'm very proud of myself for what I came up with. And it's just, like she said, just a piece of paper that I put in the front. And I have my monthly trackers, my variable expenses, which is my palm tree binder, and the debt tracker is going to be new. That's something I have never shared with you guys, so that will be on next week's video. I'm going to add up all of my debt, and we are going to start chipping it away because, as I said, my husband is 1000% ready to get this done too. We have so many plans. So here's all of my variable expenses, and then this has my palm tree binder trackers that we just did together, so those are there. And then the savings challenges are in the back, so here's all of those. So yeah, this has been a great thing, and I can't wait to start using it. So I wanted to show you guys that. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. I will be doing my savings challenges video tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed today's cash stuffing, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.